Hi, I'm Carmelo Sagona and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're talking lobster mushrooms, absolutely in season right now. They're delicious, they're a dense mushroom. You can't miss with these. Take a look at these beautiful mushrooms. Look at these. Okay, these are the parts that are in the ground face down. When you turn these over, we've got a little bit of work to do here. You can see how dirty they are in here. Okay, I cut these in half and I give them a quick wash. Here I am here. I'm going in my water. I've got a soft bristle toothbrush. This works really well. I don't do this with any other mushrooms because you don't want water and mushrooms don't go together, but these are so dense and so firm, it works fine with these. I dry these off with a cloth. Okay, we slice them. Not too thin. You still want to have some texture, kind of about like this. This works great. Now here's one that I already did. I already did this dish. I want to show you the juices that they release. This is where your sauce comes in. A ton of juices here. We take all the ingredients for this pappardelle lobster mushroom Patagonian red shrimp. And here we go here. We've got a Sauvignon Blanc that's real citrusy and bright, a lot of acid. We've got our Arbequina oil that's really buttery. We have some butter, Patagonian red shrimp, salt and pepper, and some Reggiano Parmigiana. So we've sauteed these. You see the juices. We put the shrimp in. I have these shrimp right here that I've already sauteed. Kind of get a sear on them, take them out of the skillet, take your mushrooms out of the skillet, and then you do a reduction. Take your beautiful citrusy wine that has notes of grapefruit and lemon, and you put about 1.5 cups in here, let it reduce by half. Then you take heavy cream, let that reduce by half. Then what we do, we'll turn this back on, we add your mushrooms back to the skillet. Here we go, adding these back to the skillet. You work these in for a couple of minutes. You add your shrimp back to the skillet and work these in. Okay, so work these for a couple of minutes. I'm adding a little Reggiano in here right now. This will give it some really nice nutty flavor. This is really great. And then we'll just work this a little bit and we put our pappardelle in and the dish is done. This is really a simple dish. Okay, the pappardelle is going in right now. Turn off this heat. Here we go with the pappardelle going in. I love this noodle. I always also do it with zucchini noodles. If you didn't want to do wheat noodles here, you could do it with zucchini noodles. Now I'm just mixing these up. I'm adding a little more Reggiano in here. And then we're going to plate these and we're all set. So you're working the sauce in here with the pappardelle. You want to get it all coated. You've got your lobster mushrooms and all the juices that come from those. You have a little bit of the water from the pasta that helps to add a little extra moisture. So let's plate these up. I'll show you what this looks like. So we've got our pappardelle going on the plate. Let's get another one here. Okay. There we go. And we're making sure we add some of the mushroom and some of the Patagonian red shrimp. There we go. Okay, we'll finish off with a little bit of Reggiano Parmigiana, and I hope you give this a try real soon. These lobster mushrooms are absolutely beautiful. See you down in Sagona's real soon.